Right now I have to find which plane contains the end of this path we just create. So don't click anything, just go above these planes here, and as you can see, the right plane is a plane that touches the end of this path. Let's take a closer view. As you can see, it's exactly at the end on this path. So click on the right plane, sketch, select the polygon, make sure this is 3, enter. Select the center line from this point to this point, escape, now this datasheet here is gonna help us to design the thread sketch. Somebody asked me from the previous tutorial where I get this value from. These values, the pitch, the age, the angle degrees, are constant equations, are constant measurements. They can't change in any way. So my age is the main measurement that I need to know. My age is equal to root of 3 over 2 times pitch. If you calculate the root of 3 over 2 is equal to 0.866. So I have my age to be equal to 0.866 times pitch. In this case, because I'm designing a nut of 10 millimeters. For 10 millimeters, my pitch is 1.5. So here, my age is going to be 0.866 times 1.5, which is equal to 1.299. .866 times 1.5. From this datasheet, these are the internal threads and these external. Wasn't different. These two shapes here, from this side, so these two triangles are the threads for the bolt. From this side, so from this side, the external threads is the thread for the nut. So in this tutorial, I'm going to concentrate on this triangle here. I'm going to figure out how we're going to design this triangle. So this point here is this point here on SolidWorks. Okay, this point here. And this point here on SolidWorks is this point here on datasheet, these points. So what I'm trying to do here is to find the distance between this point and this point here. From this point to this line is h over 8, and from this line to this point here is 5h over 8. So I have to add the h over 8 and the 5h over 8 together. 1 over 8 plus 5 over 8. 1 over 8 plus 5 over 8 equals to 3 over 4 h times h. I know that my h is 1.299. So 3 over 4 times 1.299 is going to give us this number here. Is going to give us the distance between this point and this point here, which is a center line we just create on SolidWorks. So select Smart Dimension, select the center line, 3 over 4 times 1.299, enter. If you want to see the whole number here, you can go escape, you can go to the options, document properties, dimensions, and change the decimals here. Select the last one, select the last one here also, and press OK. So now if we make this calculation, 3 over 4 times 1.299 is equal to 0.97425. The next step is to create this curve here. This curve is equal to h over 12. On previous tutorial where I create threads on a bolt, I explained how I get this value from. I proved how I got this value. So if you want, I'm gonna put a link right here or right here, and click to see how I prove it. So the same thing is applied on this curve. So right now go to sketch fillet and type here h over 12. My h is 1.299 over 12. Enter. Select this point here. Select OK. Select OK again. And the last thing is to pierce this point with the path. So click on this point, hold Control key, select this path, and make them pierce. Exit sketch. So now we create the profile sketch and the path. Now go to sweep cut, select the sweep cut, select the profile sketch and the path. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my video, and please let me know if you want me to create something else for you.